Arrows, Aerobatic team into Red Arrows! Riding at over 400 miles an hour.
Here we are, Red Arrows.
Red, white and blue. Red one.
And the red arrow, right, red, white and blue. 9 of them.
Rolling. And you can see that amateur big battle formation, that famous V-shape as red one brings them around to the right.
Come the Red Arrows, smoke on once again.
On the right hand side of red one is red
The Diamond 9.
Rob Thomas. Rob is in his first year at the team.
Here we go, the Swan. Over the eye. So then we have Concorde now.
On the left hand side, that centre is red 3, Hunter and Ewan and Hanna. Backer is also in his first year at the team. He used to fly the AJB, it's a Harrier variant, which when he was on exchange with the United States Marine Corps. Before then coming back and then joining the F-35B.
Typhoon Roll. Up and absolutely incredible.
As they come in from the front, from the left hand side, the smoke comes on with a nod to the Royal Air Force capability in space. This is Apollo.
So, big victory here. Here we go. Red, white and blue.
Rest 8 and 9, roll goes. Rest 8 and 9, roll around the rest of the formation. But watch for the colour change as red 1 brings them down the line.
This is going to be good. Over and under for Red Arrows, 7 and 9.
Left hand side, the smoke comes on, get your cameras ready, in the Diamond 9,
Diamond
it's the
9.
2025, it's the Red Arrows. And as we start the second half, we start it the same way as 2024 because it's so popular. This is the 5-4 split. As we go into the second half, we're now operating 2 distinct sections. Off to the left-hand side, we've got Reds 1 through 5, known as Enid. Named after Enid Blyton's famous 5 from children's books. Off to the right-hand side, we've got 6, 7, 8 and 9. They are known as Hanna, named after squad leader Ray Hanna, one of the first members of the Red Arrows, the only team leader to lead the team for 4 consecutive years. He took the team from a 7 to a 9 and formed our world-famous Diamond 9. So, Enid from the left, Hanna from the right, for the colourful 5-4 cross.
Here we go.
Number 5, roll go, and a board is caught by Red 5 as he rolls around the rest of the smoking Enid in the Twister. Red 5 is Flight Attendant Dusty Wales, known as Dusty. Second year at the team, originally from Zimbabwe, joined the Red Air Force in the Typhoon of 11th Squadron, as well as a instructor on the 29th. Get your cameras ready, it's the Hanna Break. Red 6 and 8 to our left-hand side, Red 7 and 9 to our right-hand side. Time. Get your cameras ready. This is the one you do not want to miss. The smoke comes on for the world famous Synchro Heart. And coming in from the top right, the speed of the heart is Red 8. Red 8 has flown Tempest Walker, he's flown Harrier, he's flown Typhoon, and he's been a qualified flying instructor on the Hawk T-Mark 2. And I'd like to dedicate today's heart to all the countless volunteers that have worked so tirelessly over the weekend to make Blackpool Airshow such a wonderful success.
The hearts from the Red Arrows.
Second barrel in a manoeuvre called the double roll. Barrel roll in the sky, leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky in a manoeuvre called the Serpent.
The Serpent coming in for here from 6 of the Red Arrows, I think. Oh no, I'm wrong, 5.
That's another good opportunity to see our famous red, white and blue. That is only capable of smoke pod in the belly of the aeroplane. That smoke pod is capable of producing approximately 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of red smoke and 1 minute of blue smoke. Each of the colours have its own pilot button selectable on your pilot's control column. And in 7-8 from the right hand side, in one of our newest manoeuvres for 2025, this is Chainsaw.
Here we go then, new remover, not seen this on film before.
Let's go. Clear, go, the red 4 and 5 goes to the outside. One of the hardest manoeuvres for our new pilots to master each year. This is Rollbacks. And for those at show centre, we can see 6, we can see 8, we can see 9. However, hiding in the smoke trail of Red 6 is Red 7 in the Tempest. Once again, Red 6 to the left-hand side, Red 7 off to the right-hand side. That closes speed of over 900 miles per hour. Each aircraft will perform a barrel roll followed by a cross and inverted flight in a manoeuvre called the Crossbow. Get your cameras ready. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's been an honour and a pleasure. Please put your hands together for the 2025 Royal Air Force Aerobatic team. It's the Red Arrows!
Red Arrows. Finish off
Red 1 puts
the
his
most
smoke on, he'll
fabulous
grab the rest of the
roll.
nation, take them back to Blackpool Airport, we'll refuel the aeroplanes, and then we'll jump back in and take them home, arrive back at our home base or at Waddington, Lincolnshire around about 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight.
That is it from the Red Arrows. From Planes Flying Henry, over and out.